Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to download Linux Mint 22 ISO. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Linux Mint is a Linux distribution based on Ubuntu. Comes with 3 different desktop environments by default: Cinnamon, developed by the Linux Mint team, Xfce, and Mate. It uses apt as its package manager. To download Linux Mint, open your preferred browser and search for Linux Mint. Proceed to the official Linux Mint website. Click on Download. Then choose your edition: Cinnamon Edition, Xfce Edition, or Mate Edition, and click on Download. Scroll down to Download Mirrors, and download from one of the mirrors by clicking on it. A window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. You also have the option to edit the file name if desired. Finally, click on Save, and the Linux Mint ISO file will begin downloading. Alternatively, you can go to the Download menu, and under Other Versions, click on LMDE 6 to download the LMDE version. LMDE stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition, which comes with the Cinnamon desktop environment by default and uses apt as its package manager since it's based on Debian. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.